Hello students, it is lecture related Teachers Day. If you have opportunity to deliver your thoughts or speech in English, so it is better chance for you. I am going to discuss about as a spoken class, as a speech in English on Teachers Day. So Teachers Day is celebrated in the whole country with enthusiasm way. You can say this day is very special day. This day is very imperative day. This day is very gala day. You can say. So this day is celebrated as a Teachers Day because on this day, our second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, was born on this famous date. He was born on 5 September 1888 in Trivandrum, Madras, and died 17 April 1975. He became and he got his education from Madras University, and his mother name was Sita Amma and his father name was Veera Swami. He was a great scholar, great teacher, great storyteller, and he was a prosperous teacher at Oxford University. He was the teacher of philosopher and a successful teacher and very popular teacher. When he was appointed as the second president of India from 1962 till 1967, that was the duration of his period. When he accepted his oath as a second president of India, a group of students reached to him and said, "Sir, we want to celebrate your birthday." By hearing this, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose full name was Dr. Radhakrishnan Sarvepalli O. Okay, so he at once answered that if you celebrate my birthday, so you have need to celebrate this day as a Teachers' Day. By then, this day become a special day for Teachers' Day of our country. From the 1962, that was the time when this day is become the most popular as a Teachers' Day. So you can say in Hindi, the Guru Brahma, in Sanskrit, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Dev, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahm, Tasmai Shri Guru Namah. या गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागों पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. It is the couplet of Kabir. Okay, so Guru means a very heavy, very large, big in size, that unlock the locks of mind of the students. A good teacher awakes the inner thoughts of the students in the class. So you can say teachers are the backbone of our society. Teacher plays an important role to play a good nation. You can say. So you can say your mother is first teacher, your father is teacher, but your teacher is your teacher 100%. That helps you in needy time. He doesn't teach the students with the minds. He teaches his students with the hearts. So always respect your teachers on this famous occasion, on this sacred day, on this Teachers' Day, holy day. You can say on this day, the students also respects very much of their teacher, and the teacher also shower a lot blessing over the students, upon the students. So teacher plays an important role to make a good society. Teacher works like a candle who consumes its light, and give the light to their students to recognize the real path of their life. So at last, you can see here that 5 September as a Teachers' Day speech in English. If you have a chance, whenever in school, in your office, in your other areas, so it is most important for all that you have need to see this video and take something positive ideas, and you can develop new thoughts, and you can share your ideas among your students, among your fellows. Yes, and if you are a leader, then you have to take special leadership by speech by speaking in English as a good thought. So thanks lots for all who are watching this video, and at last I want to say a very very most important facts, very most, you can say, the blazing showers on you from Smart English with Akhilesh sir. And today's in this video lecture, you will see the next some important clips related school actions. Thanks.
वीडियो बन रहा था
सौम्या भैया जी खड़े कोई अटेंडेंस लिख दो बंद कर दो समझाया बहुत कुछ सिर्फ टीचर नहीं बल्कि फ्रेंड बन के आपने हमें बताया हर मुसीबत का एंड बने थैंक यू डियर टीचर्स आप दिलो जान से हमारे साथ रहे और हाँ हम कितनी भी शैतानियां करें लेकिन आप डांट से समझा देते हो कि हम के कुछ बन जाएं इसके लिए आप कितनी मेहनत करते हो एग्जाम में अगर हम कम मार्क्स लाएं तो उसके लिए मोटिवेट भी आप ही करते हो क्लास के बीच अगर हमें बोरिंग सा लगे तो नए नए किस्से भी आप ही सुनाते हो सच में आप महान हो जो कितना कुछ करते हो हमारे लिए थैंक यू डियर टीचर्स फॉर एवरीथिंग हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल ऑफ माय डियर टीचर्स
કરશું બોલો